we have another league title, which is brilliant. It was a long time coming. It was a long time coming in saying that because of the way we lost it the previous 2 years. Like I've already mentioned, the league titles are getting tougher to win. But we very much felt that, especially 2 years ago, we threw it away. The rumblings that were going on, that we were written off, that we weren't even going to be a competitive team, or were we even going to exist come the start of the season in March, and that just lit fires in every single one of us. I'm so competitive, and I said we need to prove every single person wrong here. We need to show Ireland that Peamount aren't any weaker than we have been in previous years. Over obviously the test of time, we were able to show that, but it suited us. We went under the radar. We were just knocking up points on the board, and before they knew it, they were like, sugar, we're going to have to pay attention here. In previous years, there's games that it would have been 0-0 or 1-0 come like the 80th minute, and we would have lost, and we wouldn't have held our nerve. And this year, we knew we were fit enough. We did two pre-seasons, with the pre-season and then the one during the World Cup, and we knew we had the legs, we knew we had the fitness, we knew we had the talent, because you just have to look at our underage teams and they're just conveyor belts of talent. So we knew we had that. And then when we did go into the games, we were confident. Like, I never in the season, when we were 0-0 in Tala, 84th minute, backs against the wall, I knew we weren't going to lose that game, and that's what was different than before. And it just took us one chance, which obviously Sive finished incredibly well in that game. And I think that's basically the story of our season this year. It's just not panicking and playing till the very, very last minute. And I think our fitness levels allowed us to do that. We want to win this. We want to win every game, and we want to do it in the most clinical way. And the way we've done it all season, so it'll be a great game. Long are the days gone that it's a 13-0 win. There's no match like that in the league anymore, so we expect Sligo to come up and want to spoil the party, which will be great because it means it's a good game. That's what you want to see. You don't want to be watching 13-0 wins. It's not exciting for anybody. So that's what you can expect, and then we can have a party afterwards, lots of banners and balloons and everything like that.